Want to switch up your vibe? Here's how to change your anthem on Tinder. First, open the Tinder app and tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Here you can see edit icon around your profile picture. Tap on it. Now scroll down until you see My Anthem section. Once you find it, tap on it. A list of songs will appear. Choose the one you prefer, or you can also search for the one if you don't find the song on the list. Once you find the new song that fits your style, tap on it to save. A new anthem will now be visible on your profile. If you are unable to change your anthem, make sure your Spotify account is linked and you are connected to the internet. And that's it. Your Tinder profile is now music powered with a new anthem. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.